Hi guys, this is Vishwa and welcome back to our channel Vishwa Technology YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you the 20 plus best mobiles in the Flipkart and the Amazon. So where we are getting in the sale. So I will be starting budget from the 6,000 and the budget will be reached to up to 50,000. So in this range I will be showing the 20 plus mobiles, friends. So in this video I am going to compare the difference between the what is the present price and the what are the discount we are getting. So in this video I am going to show you the in detail, and also friends you can apply the card offer. So without the card offer I am explaining this. So card offer basically will be the 10%, so up to we will be getting nearly 1500 or 2000, so we may get up to 2000 rupees discount. You can apply it. So without card offer I'm going to explain in this video. So before going to the video, friends, if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notification from our channel. So let us get into the topic. So first mobile is Realme C11. So this mobile we are going to get it for, like, friends, 6,500 rupees, friends. So for the basic prices, so now the price is 7,500, but we will be getting in the sale, so Flipkart sale, so we will be getting for 6,500. so we can apply the card offer also. 10% we will get the discount, so nearly 107, so 600 rupees we will get a discount. So this is the first mobile, so where we will be getting the 2 GB of RAM and processor will be G35 processor. So this is a basic processor. So the next mobile will be the like Poco C3, friends. So in the Poco C3 the price is 7,500, where we will be getting the 3 GB of RAM, G35 processor and the 5000 mAh battery. So we can avail this card offer also. So the next mobile is like, so Realme Nazo. So if your budget is, friends, 10,000, so if your budget is 10,000 you can choose these three different mobiles. So the first mobile is Poco M2. So Poco M2 and also Poco M2 is this. So you can choose this mobile for Poco M2, and also Realme Nazo 20 and also Realme Note 9. So this all will become under the 10,000 mobile segment. So where we will be getting the difference between this mobile is, so this like a Poco M2 and the Redmi Note 9 will be come with the full HD so display, and also if charger is not included in the Poco M2, so it is better to, if your budget is 10,000, you can just go to the Mi Note 9, so where you will be getting the 22 watts charger in the box itself. So in this mobile, so in the Poco M2 mobile you won't get charger in the box, but the Realme Note 9 and the Poco M2 will be with the full HD display, and compared to everything all are same. So and when we go to the another mobile, so where we will be getting the, so in the 15k budget, where we will be getting the Realme 7. So where we are getting next, let us go to the Realme. So this mobile we will be getting in the offer, so where we will be getting for the 15,000 rupees. So in the 15k budget you will be getting the option, so Realme 7 and Realme Nazo 20 Pro, that will be pricing with the 15,000. So as you can see here, so 15,000 you will be getting for 15,000, and the Moto One Fusion Plus, so this is in stock and right. So and also we will be getting the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, where will be the 16,000 budget, so in the sale, and also the Samsung Galaxy M31. So this all are the segments, friends. So where we will be getting this Realme 7 will be getting with the 64 MP quad camera, and also Realme Nazo 20 Pro will be getting with the 65 watt super dot charger, friends. And also if you want a stock Android experience, you can just go to the Moto One Fusion Plus. So if you are a Moto lover, you can just go to it. And also, friends, if you are a Samsung lover, and also this is the best mobile for the Samsung, where we will be getting the 15,500 rupees, and also you can avail the card offer also. So this is the best mobile for the Samsung lovers. Priority with the camera, you can just go with the Realme 7 for the 64 quad camera. With the Realme Nazo 20 Pro you will be getting the charger, friends, 65 watt super dot charger. So And in the about 20 section, friends, so the 20 and the 20, the amazing mobile, so crazy deal it is, LG G8X. So we already done a video related to this. This is an amazing mobile. So if you get this mobile, so you can just try with the 15. So you will be getting the offer for the, like, we will be getting 20,000 at 20,000 mobile, 20,000 price segment. So this is the best mobile ever, friends. So if you can get this mobile at the 20,000, where you will be getting the good display, speakers, and the dual screen, and also we can avail the card offer also. So just you can try this mobile. So if you get this mobile, it's amazing. So there are some alternative also. So let us see if the another mobile is at like Poco X3. So this is the Poco X3 mobile. So where we will be getting at the 17,000, we can avail the card discount also. And also there is another mobile, Realme 7 Pro, where we will be getting at the 20,000 budget segment. So as you can see here, and also the Samsung Galaxy M51 for the Samsung lovers. So this is a budget segment, so where we will be getting at the 22,500 rupees. So where in this mobile, friends, we will be getting the 7,000 mAh battery and the Snapdragon 730G processor. So this is the best mobile if your budget is nearly for the 22,000 like that. So you can just apply the card offer so that you will be getting some discount nearly 2,000 like that. So if you are a budget at 20,000, this is the best mobile where you can get. So another best mobile is you can go to the at the 20,000 segment, Realme 7 Pro. So let us go to the another segment, 20 to 30,000 segment. So where we will be getting the OnePlus Nord mobile. So you can buy this mobile with waiting for, if you are waiting for the card offer spend, so you can just go through this mobile. So there is no discount, but you can get this mobile. If you can get this mobile nearly, like, you can get 2,000 discount at this mobile, so 5G mobile. So at the 30,000 discount, 30,000 budget segment, so you will be getting the Google Pixel 4a mobile. So you will be getting the 30,000 budget segment. So where you will be getting the recently launched mobile. So camera lovers, you can get this. So stock Android experience, pure Android, friends, you will be getting the pure Android in this. You can experience the best camera in this also, friends. And also the another mobile is like iQOO 3. So at the 30,000, so you will be getting this mobile for the 30,000, where we will be getting the, and you can also apply the card offer also. So where we will be getting the maximum maybe the 2,000 rupees. So in the 30,000 segment, if you want for the gaming purpose, you can just go for this mobile, iQOO 3 mobile. Or else if you want to for the best camera, you can choose this Pixel mobile, friends. So Pixel mobile is good for the camera, and also the iQOO 3 mobile is the good excellent deal for the gaming, where we will be getting for the gaming. Here we will be getting for Snapdragon 865 processor. This is the best mobile at the budget for the gaming. And next thing is, friends, like iPhone. So where iPhone SE. So if you're an iPhone lover, you can just go to this. So we may expect this deal is not yet revealed. So tomorrow it will reveal at Flipkart. So you can just go to this deal. So we may expect at 30,000, and also you can get the card discount. And another, so if you go to the more than 30 budget, so where we will be getting the iPhone XR. So here we will be getting the iPhone XR at the 38,000. This is a crazy deal, friends. Really, at this budget segment, it's a really good mobile. So if you're iPhone lover, so if you want to take now, it's a better option. You can take this at the 38,000. If you apply the card offer also, you will be getting still less at this price, iPhone XR. And also next mobile is so if your budget is 40,000+, so at the 40,000 you will be getting the OnePlus 8 mobile. So you can just go through it. So and also there is another crazy deal in the Amazon, so where you can go with the iPhone 11. So you will be getting this iPhone 11 for the 48,000, friends. So and also there is some deals with this, so I want to explain you. So in the iPhone 11 you will be getting in the, like, there is a price drop for this. So the exact official price is right now 55,000. So if you are getting this mobile at the 48,000, it's better. So if you are not getting this mobile at 48,000, so you can just go to the official Apple website, so where they will be providing the free AirPods. So I have been also into sent a notification related this. So in our group, if you are not yet joined to our group, you can just join to our group, friends. So where we will be getting at the 55 budget, we will be getting the AirPods free of cost from the Apple website. So this is an official update, so where you can purchase this from the Apple official website, or else if you want at 48 budget, if you don't want the airport, so you can just go to this amazing deal. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please do like this video and share this video with your friends and family members, and comment your opinion below. And also friends, if you want to buy any products, I will give you all the links in the description. You can just go to our links and you can buy the mobile. It would be helpful for our channel. And also if you want any other deals, you can join to our WhatsApp group also. I will give link in the description. You can just join to our WhatsApp group, so that I will be sending all the best deals in our WhatsApp group. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please do share this video and like this video. So thank you friends, thank you for watching this video.